Got the remote start, which is working. Notice the front bumper's got some scuffs, but no major dents or any like cracks, nothing along those lines. Yeah, driver's side panel here all looks pretty good. You got the running board down below, it's in good shape. Rims and tires are in good condition. Yeah, overall, really good shape there. Did notice a small PDR dent right there, but probably about the size of a dime. You got the tow hitch on there and a little scuff on the rear bumper here, but that could probably easily be painted. A little scratch here, but again, not too bad. Rims and tires. Another little scratch right there. Outside looks good. Roof, no paint flaking or anything. Interior, again, really clean, especially given the year and the mileage on this thing. I don't really see any like major stains or anything on the roof liner. Did notice that seat's got a little tiny tear, but again, that's something you could probably easily have patched. Yeah, no shimmies, no shakes. It's not pulling. Shifting gears fine. Good acceleration. Braking now, steering wheel's not shaking at all or anything, so yeah, it's driving perfect, man. Braking again. Accelerate one more time here. Slamming on the brakes. Boom. Good.